What is up, everybody? Kyle coming to you from Luxury Koating Applications here on Lake Anna. Wanted to put together a bunch of clips of us using the Starke Yacht Surface Technologies products. They're doing a YouTube challenge, and we wanted to participate because we absolutely love their products, so might as well throw our hats in the ring. We absolutely love the SiO2 wash, Starke Level R for those deep scratches when we're doing wet sanding or oxidation removal, and of course backing that up with the medium cut Elevate, and then we go over it with a DA rotary polisher. And then, of course, when it comes to T-tops, aluminums, pontoon boats, anything like that, we're always sticking with that aluminum coating. So here's a bunch of videos for you of us working and some before and afters. I hope you guys enjoy it, and catch y'all on the detail side.